all the horses up there. There's still horses at the smokehouse. Look at the smokehouse right there.
I know.
The smokehouse.
We've got some really exciting developments coming up here to the farm, and I'll be making a video here in the next week and covering that shortly. Are we going to the farm? Are we going to ride the tractor? You like it? You happy about it? Okay. So, Ewan and I are headed out to the farm. We're going to do some grading on the road and cut up some wood. Ride the tractor around. You ready? You have your tractor hat on? All right. All right. Can you say we'll see you on the farm? Part of why we want to move here so much is because of what you see right here. It's just this open land. It's this great view, and it's kind of the driving force behind what made us get this piece of property and what made us make the decision to go from living in the city to moving out to this place. It's going to be a lot of work for us, but a great reward, especially for our kids. We're taking a little break. Got to keep us fed and coffeeed up, right? Yeah. grading the road. Got all this washboard we got to get out. Back up that hill there, you'll see those potholes there and some other washboard. So we'll get those out. One of the big problems this road has is that it's mostly flat. It's not crowned very well. So water pools on it and gets caught in there. And, you know, I'm not going to solve that today, but over time we'll get it reshaped. Part of the other issues are that the drainage on the side is a little bit higher than here, so the water can't escape. So we need to knock that down. That'll be in months and years to come. But we'll get it there.
This is a new tractor.
No, it's not new, it's old. It's a good one though. Not too many hours on it. We spent the better part of a couple hours grading this road, and we got it to a point where most of the washboard is out, the potholes are filled in, and my little guy was ready to move on to something else. So we went up and got some more wood cutting going. All right, well, it's well after his nap time. He claims he's not tired. We're having a little snack here, some apples, some packet. And maybe we'll go up and cut a little bit of wood before we go home. Does that sound like fun? Ride the tractor up to the trees up there and go cut some wood? Soon, yeah. We've got enough we can fill the bucket. What do you think? Got enough? You're sitting in the tractor? Oh, the wood? Yeah, it's all ready to go, isn't it? You ready to go home? No? And that's what I love about this place. I can't get enough, and neither can he. And I think, I know the rest of my family feels the same way. It's restorative. And even though this is work, a lot of it's fun. And what we're going to create here is going to be incredible. And I can't wait.